12 minus 5 gives us 7. And again, 12 minus 5 gives us 7. And 7 times 7 is equal to 49. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to write it right here. So here is the rule. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So before we solve anything else, we have to solve the parentheses. So that is what the rule says. And after we solve all the parentheses, only then we are allowed to move to exponent. And then similar with exponent, after we solve all the exponent, we are allowed to move to multiplication and division. Then after we solve all the parentheses, then the exponent, then the multiplication, finally we are allowed to move and solve addition or subtraction. So their priority is, the first priority is parentheses, priority number 1, the thing that we are going to solve first, and then there is exponent, and then multiplication or division, then finally addition or subtraction. So it's on fourth priority. Meaning, according to this, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. So let's go back into our original problem with this in mind. So we have parentheses and subtraction, but most people wouldn't recognize there is a multiplication here. So if a number is placed next to a parenthesis, that means multiplication, in case if you don't know. So 12 minus 5 gives us 7. And the problem becomes 12 minus 5 times 7. So this is what the next operation would look like. And we have a multiplication and subtraction here. So which one we should do first? Well, the multiplication should be done first, because according to the order of operation, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction or addition. So 5 times 7 is 35, and 12 minus 35 is going to be the next equation, and 12 minus 35 is equal to negative 23. So the final answer to this question is negative 23.